Ouch. Hey guys, I'm bored tonight, so I'm going to deep fry this steak. Now, I think it was a ribeye. I don't recall exactly which one it was, but we're going to deep fry this bad boy. 3 or 4 minutes on each side, see how it goes. Why not, right? Salt and pepper. Oil is up to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 370 degrees Fahrenheit. And yeah, let's see what happens. All right, here we go. Now, always be careful when doing this kind of stuff, you guys, because make sure you have your steak in a nice grip. All right, here we go. Slowly, slowly, gently, gently. All right, hey, like I said, about 3 or 4 minutes on each side, and then voila, we'll see. All right, let's give her a flip. Ooh. Hey, check it out. This steak is not too thick and too big, so I'm not sure if 3 minutes or 4 minutes is too long on each side. Let's find out. Okay, I think it's done, you guys. Not really sure, but let's give it a try. All right. Nice and crusty on the outside. Drip a little bit off of it. There we go. So, it smells okay. It smells like it's been cooked. So back in my flash, and we'll cut her open and see how she looks and how she tastes later. All right, I let it rest for a while. Don't know how long, but let's cut it and see how it looks on the inside. Pardon my fingers, but you know I do live alone, so doesn't matter, right? Check it out. Oops, right on the floor. Hey, not bad. It's not bad. The fat rendering, or the rendered fat, is pretty tasty. The beef is just, you know, beef as per usual. It probably depends on the cut of steak, which deep fries, because I would not be surprised if some cuts deep fry better than others. This was, I think, your basic ribeye, $10 a pound. So, oh well. I was bored, and I wanted to give it a try. Interesting. I guess the big question is, would I put this type of cooking, you know, deep frying a steak in my regular rotation? I don't think so. So even though this tastes, you know, okay, I don't think I would use the same technique on a regular basis. Maybe as just as a novelty thing, just to do it every now and then and see how it's going. But aside from that, nah, not really. All right, you guys. Interesting. Deep frying a ribeye steak. All because I was bored. Haha. Okay, continuing on my boredom tonight, I decided to make some little deep fried onion rings. These are the cheap variety. It's only like flour and some onions with some seasoning, salt, pepper, I think some paprika and maybe some chili powder, that sort of thing. So I made some low quality onion rings, just like flour. It was only powder, no egg wash, no liquid, so they're not very crusty, you know? Oh well. And why it's sizzling is probably because I washed these tongs and the water is hitting me hot grease and making that sizzling sound. Ah well, c'est la vie, right? The things we do when we're bored. Oh, I ate the other ones already. Tastes kind of boring, actually. I put some salt on there, but nothing really great. Continuing on my bored night, these are, can you see? Hope you can see. I opened a can of Vienna sausages and dredged them in some flour and blah, blah, blah. Let's deep fry these bad boys and see what's going on. Kind of scary though, right? How are you getting here? I'm afraid they're gonna pop from the liquid inside of the sausages, right? Give them maybe 2 minutes to do their thing, right? Well, they're beginning to float, so I guess that means they're, done enough. But of course, Vienna sausage is already cooked completely, so I'll just throw these cats right on top of the my low quality onion rings. These are polar sardines in olive oil. I'm going to open it up, drain it, drop it into the flour mixture with the flour, salt, pepper, and blah, blah, blah. And then dump these cats into the hot oil and see what happens. It should be exciting. Don't touch that dial. All right, here we go. So let's try the Vienna sausage. Okay. It's the same thing for these little sardines, just basically some flour, pepper, and other small seasonings, so it's not really coated that well, but we'll give it a try. Not bad. Now, I am not sure how much the taste changed from just out of the can on a cracker into the deep fried variety. And then my very lousy onion rings. That's it. Really just so-so. Overall, just so-so. Would I do it again with the Vienna sausage, the onion ring, or the onions, and the sardines? Probably not. But as a one-time thing to see how they are, that's fine. Like I always say, if you see it, buy it, try it, and hope you like it. Take care wherever you are. Have a great day. I'm gonna finish this stuff up and then go to bed. How exciting is that? Later.